I may have gone the wrong way.
We're going to be jumping off the waterfall backwards.
I'm so excited! Let's go!
Today we're here at the legendary Water Rafting Company. We're gonna take on our most extreme challenge yet.
I'm here. Suit up! Let's go!
I'm excited to see the glowworms.
What?
I hope they say hi to me.
Before we head into the caves, we have to meet our amazing guides. So we do have Evie, Xavier, and Haley who are ready to rock and roll. Haley, first things first, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get into the choo-choo train.
You guys ready to hop on in?
Oh yes! Let's do it! We're in the cave. Oh.
You can do it the longest.
Oh, like. Oh, wait.
Okay, here we go.
How do I shake my body to do that? Like what? We got a big piece out.
Okay, Evie, what's our first challenge?
You're climbing up 2 waterfalls.
Oh, snap!
We're going to get into kind of a small rim. There's going to be water coming straight down the center of the rim. And I'm going to climb you up one at a time.
Let's go climb some waterfalls.
That was sick. At one point I almost took a wrong turn. But we kept going.
How's it going? Woo! That is epic.
I did it!
Made it! We made it up the waterfall! And we're out! Made it up. Challenge complete.
That was literally wild. We just climbed a waterfall. I went from feeling terrified to feeling like an explorer to feeling like a mermaid to being an explorer again.
Yeah, I think I could climb maybe Mount Everest next.
All right, we made it out of the cave. Now it's time. Evie, which one of us was the ultimate listener today?
Drum roll.
Let's go, Evie.
Okay, it's okay, still more challenges to come.
Time for our next challenge in these beautiful caves, and we've got the wonderful Xavier to take us through it. So, what do we have to do this time?
We're going to be crawling in this mysterious passageway. However, I'm not going to tell you which way to go. Don't climb up.
Well, he was definitely going first.
I'm so excited! Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm off! Okay. Oh goodness, it's so dark. Alright, just trying to go as fast as I possibly can over here, over this way. Oh no. Wait, is that the exit? Is that the way that I just came back? Oh no. I may have gone the wrong way. Turning back around. Wait. What? Oh, maybe it is this way. And then out this way? Oh yes, we're over here. Okay. What? Time? Time. Oh, we got a bit lost in there.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, quick.
That boy fast.
27 seconds. Okay.
27. I have a question. Can we use Google Maps in there?
3, 2, 1, go.
What if I just hit in there?
Do you want that? Head start.
Oh, I see a headlight. Oh no.
Yeah, whoa!
No. No! What? Wait, don't tell us. Can we wait till the edge? Don't tell us.
That was quick. That was. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, I'm already lost! What way do I go? I don't think it's that way. Guys, I feel like I went the wrong way. Did someone tell? Did I go the wrong way? Yep. Oh, this way! I didn't see this! It's over
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, I looked at it, I was like, wait, that's not where I'm meant to go. The massive rock.
That can't be right. And I didn't even think to look around. I just came straight back. And there was like 3 So that was an intense challenge. I may have gotten a little bit lost. My time was 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
1:37, I also got a bit lost.
I was 0:39 seconds.
My time, 27 seconds.
Not bad at all.
But need 26 or better to beat it, Manu.
What'd you get, Manu?
I got sub 20.
That's right. 19 seconds.
So, Emmy and Manu are tied. If the rest of you can come back.
We've got another challenge to go.
Let's see what happens.
We got Jockey back because we're doing so good.
Yeah.
This is a hot drink.
Look at that golden goodness.
That's good. What's our next challenge? Final one. Then we're jumping off the waterfall backwards. What? I'll be standing next to you and I'll count you down. So jump when I say jump. I'm not scared at all.
That sounds good.
Down there are some safety things that we need to go over. There's a ledge and there's a hole. Don't want to trip on either.
Okay.
All I'm hearing is a whole lot of fun. Hey! Don't trip up to the side. If you do, you do not want to do that. What do you not want to do? 3, 2, 1. All right. Yep, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
This is freedom.
Bye-bye.
Made it. And only a little bit. Wakariri.
It's gonna be like the there, we got it.
Get that to her, it needs to be. All right. We made it out.
Good Patrick.
We have done it. This has been awesome, but now the time has come. Who was the bravest jumping off that waterfall?
I think it had to be Ashma.
That was so exciting. Thank you. I think in the end, we're all winners here because we had the most amazing experience here at the legendary Water Rafting Company, and a huge mihi to our guys, Haley, Evie, and Xavier. Woo!
Thank you.
Thank
I think we need a
Hot shower. Hot shower. I'm going shotgun.
Guys,
Bye, guys!